This condo unit is not for everyone. A 5-bedroom penthouse in Park McKinley West worth 141 million Philippine pesos. It has a very spacious living area, a furnished kitchen with luxury finishes and dining area. Meron ding junior master's bedroom, main master's bedroom, 3 bedrooms, 5 toilet and baths, maid's room, big storage and office area. Facing east, so meron kayong panoramic view ng McKinley Hills skyline, greeneries and Rizal Mountains. Before I proceed, comment the word penthouse so I can send the full details. Located in the developing part of BGC na McKinley West. Walking distance sa Venice Grand Canal Mall, only 6.5 kilometers away from the international airport, only 5 minutes drive away from different establishments in BGC such as Bonifacio High Street, St. Luke's Medical Center, and Uptown. Everything is just one elevator button away dahil magkakaroon ng 2-level malls just below the condo residence. You can also take advantage our rent-to-own terms, no down payment promo with 5% discount na around 7 million pesos, and syempre welcome din ang mga cash buyers na merong 20% discount na around 28 million, kaya bababa ang presyo sa 113 million. Only one smart and brave investor magkakaroon ng chance na maging prideful owner ng unit na to because